Hello, welcome to the Audio Mova Learning channel. In this video, we have listening in easy English about different topic each day. Let's talk about the science of laughter, how humor impacts our health. Laughter is a universal language that transcends cultural boundaries and brings people together. But did you know that laughter also has a profound impact on our physical and mental well-being? In this video, we will explore the science behind why laughter is so beneficial for our health. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the amazing ways in which humor can improve our lives. Laughter is often referred to as the best medicine, and for good reason. When we laugh, our body releases endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that promote a sense of well-being and happiness. These endorphins not only reduce stress and anxiety, but also act as natural painkillers, helping to alleviate discomfort and improve our overall mood. Furthermore, laughter triggers the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This flood of dopamine not only enhances our mood, but also strengthens our immune system, making us more resilient to illnesses. Moreover, laughter is a powerful stress reliever. When we laugh, our body's stress response is reduced, leading to lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. By decreasing stress hormones, laughter helps to relax our muscles, lower blood pressure, and improve cardiovascular health. In fact, research has shown that laughter can have similar cardiovascular benefits to exercise, boosting heart health and circulation. Additionally, laughter fosters social bonds and connectivity. When we share a laugh with others, it creates a sense of camaraderie and strengthens our relationships. This social aspect of laughter is essential for our emotional well-being and can help to improve our overall quality of life. In conclusion, the science of laughter reveals that humor plays a significant role in promoting our health and well-being. By embracing laughter and seeking out moments of joy and amusement, we can experience a myriad of benefits that positively impact our physical, emotional, and mental health. So don't be afraid to let out a hearty laugh and enjoy the many rewards that come with it. Thank you for tuning in to this discussion on the power of laughter. Stay tuned for more insightful content on the Audio Mova Learning channel.